Hello and welcome back to the channel at Languedoc Property Finders. And today we are in an apartment in the heart of Pézenas. Now Pézenas is the historic town in the area, and if I pan around I can show you how close we are to the centre. So you are steps away from the cafes, the restaurants, the bars, the shops in Pézenas, and yet you still have the quiet of this lovely apartment. The building must be at least 200 years old. You have fantastic original flagstones on the floor and a lot of original detail as well. This is the main living room. I'm just going to walk through and show you the fireplace as well. It's a very elegant apartment. Beautiful, tall windows letting in quite a lot of light. And the ceilings are quite high. You have moulding on the ceilings. Very nice indeed. So this is the main living room, and just to the left here through the glass double doors is what I would call a snug. So it can be used as another sort of lounge area, or you could potentially turn this into a guest bedroom. So it's a little versatile. Got a very pretty chandelier. And the light in this room is coming from two double doors that are made of glass. So that's the snug area. And then just beyond is the entranceway. The front door of the apartment, which is on the first floor, is right here to the left. Walking through the entrance to a compact kitchen. So there's a kitchen table up against the wall, the hob, the washing machine, a microwave, and on the other side there's the sink and a dishwasher. The kitchen also has double glazed double doors that look out onto the courtyard. Let me just take a little peek through the curtains. It's been raining recently, so unfortunately the tiles aren't very clean. But this terrace can be accessed not simply from the kitchen, but also from the bedroom. So let me take you through to the rest of the apartment. So this is the bathroom. Beautiful tile on the floor. You have a bath, a wash basin, some storage, and just to the right is the WC. I'll just poke my head around here. Gorgeous stone wall. And walking through the bathroom is the main bedroom through these beautiful wooden double doors. Now, the bedroom is actually very large. It has carpet on the floor, but this carpet is carpet tiles, so it can be taken up without too much effort. There are fitted wardrobes that run the length of the side of the bedroom, and there's even space for a little sitting area. So I'm just going to pan around so you see the entire bedroom. And you have, again, double glazed, double doors that go onto the courtyard. The bedroom is at the back of the apartment, so it's very quiet here. There you go. And there you have it. A beautiful one-bedroom apartment, potentially 2 bedrooms if you were to adapt the snug area, in the heart of Pézenas. Whether you make this apartment your main place of residence or a holiday home, a place that you could potentially rent out to tourists during the summer months, that wouldn't be a problem because Pézenas is such a popular area. Let me know if you'd like to arrange a viewing. If you click on the link at the bottom left once the video has finished, I'd be delighted to organise a visit and show you the apartment. Thank you so much for watching.